Hi viewers, today I am here with a new video about Hunza. Hunza is a mountainous valley situated in northern Gilgit-Baltistan, bordering with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in China, and this is the highest border of Pakistan. I've collected some most visited places in Hunza, so watch this video till the last second, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe it and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So let's start the video. Athabad Lake is located in Gojal Valley. This lake is created in 2010 after a disaster. Up on these mountains there was a village named Athabad which slided down in 2010 and blocked the way of a running stream which changed in this lake. The depth of this lake is more than 100 meters and its length is 21 kilometers. This lake is one of the biggest tourist attractions, though it makes the locals sad as a whole village has synced here. Balteed Fort is a place you should never miss. This fort is 800 years old and still standing perfectly. In 1945, the local governor Mir Muhammad Jamal Khan shifted to another building and then no one entered it by 1990. In 1991, the local governor of Hunza, Mir Ghazanfar Khan, donated it to Agha Khan Culture Services of Pakistan. Agha Khan's Institute worked for 6 years to rebuild it and bring its shine back. Finally, on 29 September 1996, President of Pakistan Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari came to inaugurate it as a museum. The royal kitchen, utensils, pictures and some other ancient things are still there in good condition to amaze the visitors. Alteed Fort. Alteed Fort is located in Hunza Valley. It was created by the architects came from Tibet more than 1000 years ago. This fort has a wooden structure which has the ability to survive an earthquake up to 8.5. The fort used to have a meeting room for the state management team, a prison for those who would rebellion against the state, and a death row place for attackers. There is also a 400 years old mosque which increases the attraction of the fort. Hussaini Suspension Bridge is located in Upper Hunza. It is created by the locals to cross the Borith Lake and it is considered the most dangerous bridge on earth. It contains 6 wires tied together from one bank to another, and wooden planks are tied having enough distance which make it scary. Due to its length, the wind flatters it to left and right, which is a hard test for someone's nerves. Despite of the danger, it is a top-rated tourist destination. Ganesh is a village on Silk Road, Hunza. Ganesh is the oldest village in Hunza. It is 1000 years old village with very old religious centers, mosques, watchtowers and a reservoir. Ganesh has 4 mosques which are 300 to 400 years old and has received UNESCO Heritage Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation in 2002. The watchtowers were used for the surveillance of surrounding, especially at nights, to protect the village against the attacks and lootings due to its location along the ancient Silk Road, which is now called the Karakoram Highway. Pasu Village. Pasu is a village in Upper Hunza, completely surrounded in mountains which are called Pasu Cones. Pasu Cones is the main attraction for tourists from outside. Pasu is also famous for its wild goats called Markhor. These goats have 2 differences from normal goats: their look and their food. They look like deers and they eat snakes. These wild goats are found in the rocky areas of Pasu. Hunters from foreign countries come Pasu for wild goats hunting. Pasu village is also enriched with apples. The apples of Pasu are very tasty and exported abroad. The problem for the locals of Pasu is land erosion. The river passing from the middle of the village is slowly increasing its width and decreasing the precious land. Government should take action to solve this problem and save their fields. Eagle Nest View is atop almost 10,000 feet above from the sea level. This is the only viewpoint which offers 6 famous peaks which include Rakaposhi, Altar Peak, Diran Peak, Golden Peak and Ladyfinger. It also offers view of Hunza Valley without a drone camera. The special thing here is the rocks, which is considered the best place for eagle nest. This is why it is given the name Eagle Nest View. Sacred Rock of Hunza is one of the major tourist attractions in Gilgit-Baltistan. This rock is divided in 3 parts. The rock has some animal carvings and some names which belong to Buddhists. All the rocks were carved almost 2000 years ago. The Buddhists had special caves and shelters for living, but by the passage of time they collapsed. Subscribe our channel for more informative and interesting videos.